all. So in the last video we have discussed about the export outline, and in this video we'll see about the import outline. So what are the need for import and why we are importing, and what are the use of importing. So what type of duties we have to pay, and regarding the logistics. So one by one we'll see in this video. When a country brings products from abroad to use, sell, or process, it is called import. It is nothing but, so we are bringing a product from another country. When a product cross the border, it means that, so as from other country, when we are bringing a product to our country, it tells it is import. So it can be used for our own purpose, or it can be used for commercial purpose. It differs. So whatever it is, so when we are bringing a product from another country to our country, it is clear, it is import. Why do country import? So it is very important. To get products not available locally. Yeah, sometimes some products can be available, and sometimes few products cannot be available. So in this aspect, so unavailable products can be bring through the imports to get better quality or cheaper goods. So we all know that export and import, there is no compromise in quality. So sometimes it clearly tells that bring the imported product or bring the export product, it is quality. Or else sometimes you can bring the goods in the cheaper cost. So the best example is A4 sheet. So for a rim paper, we are paying 250 or 260 in our nation. When you're bringing the same paper from Thailand, the cost is totally reduced. So like this, there are some for a particular products. So your product will, when comparing our nation to the imported, the cost might be a lesser. And the third one is to support industries. Definitely industries needs raw materials, industries needs machineries. So for these things we have to bring commodity from other nations to meet high demand. So whenever we have to focus on the competitors, whenever we have to focus on the demand, definitely with the help of import only we can do. So lots of spare parts for cars, lots of machineries. So everything is imported, and with the help of that imported items, we are doing exports. Need for imports. Availability of goods in home country. It means definitely you cannot tell that there is no product in our home country. So each and every commodity should be available in our country. In case if you don't get the particular product, then we are moving to the import to get better quality products. So already I have told you that export import, there is no compromise in quality. So through import we can get better quality products, cost advantages, cheaper products. Sometimes it is cheaper to support domestic industries. So our domestic industries, they are in need of raw materials, machineries. So with the help of import only we can do all those things, meet high domestic demand. So already we have discussed. So we can use advanced technologies, improve product variety and competitive pressure, strengthen international trade relationship, maintain price stability. So these are all some of the important things. So technology is there, and product variety, and competitive pressures. Yeah, it is important. So international relationship is required, and maintain price stability. Types of import. So we can say it is a direct import or indirect import. But so according to the point, commercial import is there, personal import is there, capital goods import is there. What do you mean by capital goods import? So machineries we are importing from another country, and we are launching it in our country, and with the help of that particular imported machinery we are producing the product and we are exporting. So these type of imported commodities or imported machineries are called as a capital goods. And personal import, sometimes for our personal use we can import the products. And commercial imports, it means that we are getting product from other countries and we are selling it in our nations. Import procedures, you have certain steps. So as usual, like export, you need IEC code for import also, and product selection, supplier identification, and finally your shipment. Okay, so I've already told you in export Alibaba.com. With the help of Alibaba.com, you can identify the buyers. With the help of Alibaba.com, you can identify the commodity details. So through online, through softwares, so lots of technology nowadays is there. You can select the products. You can variety the products, and finally, getting after all the required documents, you can go for the selection. First thing is that you should select the product, what type of product we have to get. Okay, that you should select. And then supplier identification, so there are n number of suppliers, so you should select the right suppliers. So how to select a and a supplier? So you should focus on the terms and conditions, you should focus on the price, and you should focus on the goodwill. So lots